One of the biggest challenges people have when they move into their first home is that you no longer have a landlord to call when things go wrong. So think about all those expenses that you're going to have as you maintain your home. For the exterior of your home, you may need to replace decks or porches or add a fence. Think about the landscaping. Do you have a lot of trees that you'll need to prune? What about replacing doors and windows, or painting, or putting in new siding? You also eventually will have to replace your roof, so factor in that big expense. Also remember outside that when the leaves fall, they land in your gutters, so you'll want to clean those out and make sure that the water is flowing properly so you don't have water issues around your foundation. Inside your home, you'll need to budget for things like repairing and replacing your appliances. How about painting and decorating? Plumbing and electrical updates to faucets, toilets, those kinds of things. Cabinetry and countertops are things that will also eventually need replacing. Don't forget to think about the annual inspections that you'll want to do of your furnace and air conditioner to make sure they're in good running order. The best thing you can do is empower yourself, so learn new things. Don't be afraid to take a class at your local hardware store or watch an online do-it-yourself video. You can save a lot of costs by doing some things yourself.